Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your crypto wallet in Capybara. We'll cover the essential steps to link your digital assets securely. First, we'll prepare your wallet, then navigate Capybara's interface, and finally, confirm the connection. This guide ensures a smooth integration, allowing you to manage your crypto within the platform efficiently. Get ready to streamline your digital asset experience with ease. Before connecting, it's crucial to prepare your wallet. Check that your chosen crypto wallet is fully compatible with Capybara to avoid any issues. Make sure you have your wallet's password or seed phrase readily accessible, as you'll need it for authorization. Also, confirm you have a small amount of cryptocurrency for network fees, typically less than $1, to cover any transaction costs during the connection process. Now, let's connect within Capybara. Open the Capybara application and find the Wallet Connection or Settings section. You'll see a list of supported crypto wallets. Select yours. Capybara will then send a connection request to your wallet. Open your crypto wallet application and carefully review the permissions requested. Once you're comfortable, approve the connection to finalize the link between your wallet and Capybara. After connecting, always confirm that your wallet is successfully integrated into Capybara. You should see your wallet address or balance reflected in the platform. Take a moment to review the permissions granted to Capybara by your wallet to ensure they align with your expectations. If you encounter any issues, such as a failed connection or missing assets, try refreshing the page or checking Capybara's support resources for troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.